In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Maya. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to pick, so your money lands in a Maya wallet in Philippine pesos without any confusion. Start on your Wise home dashboard. From here, click Send. This is where every transfer begins. You can fund the transfer in any currency you prefer, but what matters most is the currency your recipient receives. Make sure the recipient currency is set to Philippine pesos. Setting the recipient currency to PHP ensures Maya gets the funds correctly, and Wise will automatically show you the exchange rate and any fees before you proceed. Enter the amount you want to send. As you type, Wise will update the total and show you what the recipient will receive in pesos. Take a second to review the numbers, especially if exchange rates fluctuate. If something looks off, adjust the amount now so the recipient gets exactly what you intend. Next, choose Add Recipient. When the recipient options appear, select Enter Account Details. This tells Wise you're adding someone new, rather than picking from a saved contact. On the Account Type screen, choose e-wallet. You're not sending to a bank account. You're sending straight to a digital wallet, so this selection is important. From the list of supported wallets, select Maya, which you might also see labeled as Pay Maya. Wise recognizes both names, and they refer to the same e-wallet service in the Philippines. Now enter the recipient's e-wallet number and their name. Use the exact mobile number that's registered to their Maya account and type their name as it appears in Maya to avoid delays. Double-check every digit and spelling here. Small mistakes can cause transfers to fail or go to the wrong wallet. If there's a reference or note field, you can add a short description to help your recipient recognize the transfer, but keep it general and avoid including any sensitive personal information. Continue to the review screen and confirm. Wise will show you a summary of the amount, fees, the exchange rate, the recipient details, and the delivery currency in Philippine pesos. Read through this carefully. If everything looks right, approve the transfer. Wise will process it, and in many cases, e-wallet transfers arrive quickly. That's all there is to it. Click Send, set the recipient currency to Philippine pesos, enter your amount, add a new recipient as an e-wallet, choose Maya, fill in their number and name, review, and confirm. Once done, your recipient should see the funds in their Maya wallet shortly.